Hey there, I'm Krista with WTI. I'm like most women when I say that I run out of storage space way before I run out of things that I need to store. This MARTY rolling storage cart has really come to my rescue to give me that added space. It's always a nice surprise when the assembly of a product is quick and painless, and this MARTY cabinet did check that box. The parts were all clearly labeled with little stickers, and they were easy to identify. And I really appreciated there were some extra screws and wooden pins included, just in case we damaged anything while putting it together. The cart is definitely designed for slim spaces. I was able to slide it right into that tiny space next to my bathroom vanity where literally nothing else fits. And because it's on wheels, it's so easy to roll in and out for super quick and easy access to items that I need to use regularly but don't want on display. This simple black modern design kind of just blends into the room without taking up any visual space or looking like that piece that was added later. And the shelves have these little raised edges so that as I'm sliding it in and out, nothing is falling off of the shelf. We're using it basically for everything that we need to have on hand. I think anyone who's looking for practical storage that can fit into tight spaces will really benefit from this MARTY storage cart, and that's my point of view.